Like a boss.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be talking about the Kylie Jenner effect. This whole week is all about Kylie Jenner. And this week, we're going to be breaking down a lot of aspects of her personality so that I can understand her more. And so the advice that I can give you are more relevant. This series was inspired by my homegirl, Shallon Lester, right? And go check her out. She's great. I love her content, right? But I wanted to make this video because I think Kylie Jenner is a horrible influence for women, especially for younger women, right? Because this is the thing. Plastic surgeons are seeing a lot more younger women in their offices, right? Plastic surgeons are seeing around 10% more women in their offices. Like around, what's the age? I wrote it down here. They're the age around from 15 to 19. Back, there's a plastic surgeon that said 10 years ago, only 1% were 15 to 19. Nowadays, it's 10%, you know? And it's staggering because a lot of these, it pisses me off because I've dated some women. I've dated some women who were smoking hot, right? Smoking hot with lips like fucking lips like I don't know, they're just incredible, and they get plastic surgery, and it just blows my mind. It blows my mind. And I'm thinking of three girls in my life that to me were the most beautiful women I've ever been with, and they got plastic surgery, and now I can't see them no more because I just don't like the way they look. They had a natural look. They had a good look, and they fucking ruined it because they wanted to look like Kylie Jenner. Sorry about that. That just pissed me off, right? And it's a deeper effect. It doesn't just affect my dick, okay? My dick is just a collateral effect to this, okay? What's really happening here is social media is causing women to not want to be who they are, but to be someone who they're not, right? And this is what tends to happen when you begin to have Kylie Jenner as your role model, because this is the thing. You could admire Kylie Jenner's business mindset, or you could stay, which is your higher self, or you could stay in the lower realms and admire her looks, right? Because this is what tends to happen. When women begin to trying to be something that they're not, studies have shown, like when you compare yourself in social media, particularly to Kylie Jenner, you get depressed, you get anxiety, you develop eating disorder, you develop body shame, right? And you have sexual dysfunction. You see what I'm saying? You begin to do more than you should because you think you are not enough, right? And I'm gonna tell you the solution to it, in my opinion, which I'm going to tomorrow, is staying away from Instagram, right? But the real problem is, and what really worries me, because I also have nieces, right, is that more teenagers are getting lip injection, and it's all and compared to older people who go into plastic surgery just to look like their older selves, younger women are going to plastic surgeons with a picture and saying, "I want to look like Kylie Jenner." What that says to me is that they have lost faith in who they are. They don't understand what makes guys attractive. And I'm gonna stick to this subject today and go deeper into the mental health and the psychological problems that comes with it tomorrow, right? And the solution for that. But I'm gonna stick to the part which is how that affects how guys find you attractive. Speaking of which, don't forget to get my shirt, Dusty Charm, and I have a lot more merchandise in the description down below, right? Look. What tends to happen is this, okay? I was saying, fuck, forgot what I was saying. Kylie Jenner shit. Let's go back to this.
A few moments later.
Oh, remember, too much weed. Look, let's just look at Kylie Jenner the way she used to look before, right? We all know how she looked, but let's look at it, right? 1 second, right? Because this is the thing, guys. Look, I don't want to give these kind of statements because it sounds so general. I mean, they're general, but guys don't like the plastic look. Look, I'm just telling you, natural look. I don't want to label people. That's the thing. I truly don't. But I can promise you, ladies, guys that like you for your plastic surgery do not like you for you. Simple as that. If a guy's asking you to get plastic surgery, I am telling you, he will stop liking you as soon as the first week is over. Or even worse, he'll start cheating on you. Guys do not, it's just nature. Guys by nature do not like things that are fake. People don't like fake personalities. They don't like fake accents. I used to have a fake accent when I was younger just to experiment, right? But people do not like that. By the way, I was seeing whether or not which accent was the most attractive. So I used to practice them, and clearly it didn't work anyways. But that's a whole nother subject. I also used to try to dress really bad on a date to see if that had an effect. And in my experience, it had no effect. But that's for a whole nother different date. All right. Let me show you, right? I'll show you the images, right? Let me show you. Look, before and after, right? You see? Ladies, what you guys do not understand about these before and afters is not just that she looks nice. It's the health concerns that come as you get older, right? You begin to develop health complications with these implants because they're not permanent. Like they're not permanent. Like, this you guys have to understand. They come with risk of cancer. Yo, it's just crazy that what this is telling me is that women are feeling insecure and reacting to it. They're not thinking long term. They're not thinking rationally. The Kylie Jenner effect is such that makes you want to be something that you're not. And I can promise you, that is the ultimate recipe for unhappiness, for ungratefulness, for depression, for stress, and for lack of purpose. That is what your purpose will be, how many likes you get on Instagram. And anybody will tell you that constantly being on Instagram is one of the most draining things that you could ever have. Constantly being in it, getting those rewards. Because this is a problem, is that the bad part isn't getting the likes. The bad part is when the likes don't do it for you no more. The bad part is when those likes they're just so prevalent, so normal for you, right? That they have zero effect on you. And that's what Kylie Jenner might be going through. Look, I am telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you guys might be looking at Kylie Jenner's life from the inside out, from the outside in, and think it's incredible. But I can promise you that poor girl is riddled with insecurity. That poor girl is depressed. I'm not going to say that she is, but generally, when someone's in the spotlight, especially when they're in the spotlight and promoting their bodies to get money, I mean, using their bodies and plastic, and they're always got to be on top, that expectation is too high for any human to keep it up. It's way too high. It's way too high. You see? So what guys find attractive? Guys find natural. If you're ugly, be your ugly natural self. Because the extra attention that you're getting from guys is only permanent, and sometimes it's like this. The cure becomes worse than the disease, wherein the attention you get will end up backfiring on you. Why? Because the moment you stop getting that attention, you're going to want to do more plastic surgery because it's plastic surgery that got you the attention. And then you're going to go after those two for one deals. The two butts for $99, right? Get 2 for 1, right? Ladies, man, get another role model. Some of you young women, a lot of young women watch my channel. Get another role model, but it's easier said than done. They're not going to listen to me. But I really foresee this as a huge epidemic. It's not looking good because I am telling you, people, I really do believe that the future is going to be filled with people addicted, with people with addictions, secret addictions, people with very, very low self-esteem. And that's going to drive up the market. People are going to make a lot of money off of beauty brands, right? And potentially they're going to come watch me. But what I am telling you is that I see a world full of depressed people in the future. It is not pretty. It is not pretty. I see that in the future. People who have very low self-esteem, and that's gonna cause more trolls on the internet, right? That's gonna cause more antidepressants, right? And eventually, those women who are depressed in their 20s, they're gonna lose their looks. And on top of that, they're gonna be depressed. They're gonna have plastic surgery. They're not gonna have the money to do the plastic surgery. And I don't know what the fuck is gonna happen after that. The point is that, ladies, if you have this woman as your role model, in my opinion, and you admire her physical looks rather than her business mindset, you're screwed. You're screwed. Who you role model is a big part of who you become. And look, ladies, I'm the kind of person, I'm not into culture, right? So when I was from 2010 till now, I was not into the Kardashians. I wasn't following it. I would hear snippets of it, but I don't follow hip hop or nothing like that, right? So I just started getting into this. I'm just seeing this, and it's pretty toxic, man. And I was noticing this. I was like, why do so many women look the same now? And then I wasn't following culture, so I was like, man, I was like an outsider. I was like, man, so many of these women have this like Armenian look now, but why they getting so many lips? I was like, I remember one time I was with this girl and she had lips, and I was like, why did she get that? Right? Because back then that wasn't a thing, right? Or I remember I was with this girl and like she had fake boobs. So I was like, I ain't doing that, right? But the point is that I just started noticing a very stereotypical look, and now I know why. Unbelievable. It's just crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Guys do not find plastic surgery attractive. Guys who really like you will not find that attractive. If you ugly, be ugly. Just don't be a pretty ugly person because of plastic surgery, because it will wear away. It will wear away. It just will. You need to find a purpose, and we're gonna talk about that tomorrow, right? But the point is, guys do not find this attractive. This is only temporary. This is only temporary. He will give you attention. The same dude that wanted you to do this, he will dump you as soon as he finds somebody who looks better. I would never tell a woman to get plastic surgery from me. I would never do that shit, because the physical components that go into it, the infections, the future, the increased chances of cancer, it's not worth it. It just isn't. My dick is not worth it. It's just unbelievable, man. It truly is, man. Man, unbelievable. At least J-Lo wasn't like this. All right, man. Ladies, look, man. We're going to talk about this tomorrow, okay? Unbelievable. Tell me what topics with Kylie Jenner you want me to make, and which topic will apply. I'm going to be doing a lot of research on her. And thank you, Shallon Lester. I love your videos. Keep going, woman. Keep lady. Keep going, lady. And yeah, man. And yeah. Anyways, people, by the way, if you're asking me where the hell was I was taking a break. Relaxing. I went to Colombia. Not for that reason, pervs, but I was just visiting and stuff like that. And yeah, man. Anyways, you guys be safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel. I have a Spanish channel. You can see it in the description down below. And go to my book club. I have a book club, and on top of that, I'm coming up with a new course called the chemistry. It's all about creating chemistry with a guy, right? And maintaining the chemistry. It's called natural chemistry, all right? So we're going to be coming out with that sometime next month. And I'm going to be working on that all December long, because I'm going to have a break from school. So I could work on that, all right? All right, peace out, people. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button, all right? Because I'll be doing live streams on, thing. Oh, one other thing, man. Hit me up on Patreon, right? That's where I'm posting my book club, on Patreon, on the description down below. Peace out.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. It's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.